a smart scale, a smart camera, and an electric toothbrush. These are the latest AIoT products of Realme, and they're selling for below 2,000 pesos during the Lazada 11/11 sale. So if you're looking at being healthier, being fit, or improving your home security, then make sure to watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Lea, and this is our unboxing, walkthrough, and initial impressions of the Realme Smart Camera 360, the Realme Sonic Electric Toothbrush, and the Smart Scale. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Okay, so let's start with the biggest one of the bunch, the Realme Smart Scale. Of the three, this is the one that got me nervous and excited at the same time because I'm not exactly a health buff, so I was kind of worried about the results. But then again, I guess it's better to know where I am so I know what I should work on to be healthier. So full disclosure, I unboxed it already, but I do want to show you what you're getting. So actually, you're just getting the scale itself and the manual. The scale looks pretty good. It comes in two colors, white and blue, but I got the white one, which is actually the color that I prefer because it just goes with everything. It looks sleek and feels very durable. So you have the LED on top. This shows your weight and other important data. And according to the manual, yes, I read parts of it, the four circles are called metal electrodes. And at the bottom, you have the product information, the scale base, and the battery box. Inside, you have 4 AAA batteries, and according to Realme, this should last you for 360 days, so just a few days short of 1 year. That's pretty awesome. Now let's read the highlights from the box. Sleek design, check. 50 grams to 9.99 kilograms lightweight mode. It can store unlimited profiles, and you just have to link this to the Realme Link App, and I'll show you how to do that later on. There's 50 grams high precision, 360-day long standby battery, and it measures the heart rate. So aside from the heart rate and of course your weight, the Realme Smart Scale can also take note of 14 other types of health measurements, so a total of 16. There's the body fat rate, body shape, BMI, muscle mass, body age, basal metabolism, lean body weight, moisture rate, muscle rate, visceral fat level, skeletal muscle, bone mass, protein, and fat mass. Guys, I'm not a fitness expert, so it's a good thing that the Realme Link app provides additional information on all these health terminologies so we can understand it better. And speaking of the app, the very first thing that you have to do before using the Smart Scale is to download it. Para mas madali, just scan the QR code on the box itself, create an account if you don't have one yet, or simply sign in like I did. Add the device by pressing the plus button on the upper right-hand corner. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and click on the Realme Smart Scale. Once it's connected, you're good to go and you're ready to weigh in. It's that simple. At this point, you can pretty much treat it like a normal scale. Step on it, wait for a few seconds, the LED will show your weight, and you can check the Realme Link app for the rest of the data. Okay, so I'll share my results with you guys. Please don't judge. It says that I'm under-exercised and that I need to build more muscles. My body fat, protein, and body water are normal. So anyway, my main takeaway here is that I need to add resistance training when I work out. And if you want to know more about the health measurements, just click on it and the app will give you more information. Honestly guys, I think that technology is just amazing. I can't believe that I can learn so much about my body and my overall health by just stepping on a scale. So it's really not just about the weight anymore, it's about overall health and fitness. The Realme Smart Scale is 1,590 pesos, but if you get it during the Lazada 11/11 sale, guys, it's 500 pesos off, so you can get it for only 1,090 pesos. This is a really wild offer, guys. Add to cart na to. You know, this is a great thing to get for yourself, especially since it's almost January, and you know how we always vow to be fit the following year. And I think it's also a great gift to give to your family or friends who are looking at being healthier and staying fit. The next item is a Realme Sonic electric toothbrush, but I'll have to turn you over to Jamie because he's the one using it. By the way guys, all these items are linked in the description box below, so just check it out if you're interested in any of them.
Hey guys, Tito James here. In this portion of the video, as the wife said, we'll be taking a look at the Realme M1 Sonic toothbrush that I've been using for a couple of days now. Compared to your standard electric toothbrush, this is equipped with a sonic motor that moves the brush head back and forth instead of rotating the bristles, and Realme says it can do so at a rate of 34,000 times per minute, which sounds really wild, and I don't know how they measured that, but I'll take their word for it. Out of the box, the toothbrush comes with two heads, one for sensitive teeth and a standard one, and I highly recommend using the sensitive one first if this is your first time using a Sonic toothbrush. And so far, it's been a pretty good experience, but more on that later. Now, aside from the heads, you also have the charging base. Now, there's no included brick, but you can always use the one that came with your phone. Don't worry, you won't be charging often anyway, since the claim for the battery life on this is 10 to 12 weeks, though it takes a while to fully charge. Other than that, of course, you have the standard set of documents. Now, using this is very simple. Simply attach the head that you intend to use on the toothbrush itself, like so, and turn it on. There are 4 modes to choose from: soft, clean, polish, and white, but I do recommend that you try out the soft setting first, and actually that's the only setting I've been using so far, since the others can be a bit intense. Now, I'm not going to show you guys footage of me brushing my teeth, let's spare you guys from that trauma, but I think it works really well, and I don't know if it's just a psychological thing that I'm using a Sonic toothbrush, but my teeth look a lot cleaner than when I use my standard toothbrush as well. But it's very gentle on the gums too, but I still recommend flossing before you brush your teeth, of course. Just like what Lea said with the scale, this would make another great gift idea for a loved one or even yourself. Also, they will be making extra brush heads available in the very near future, but we don't have confirmation as to the exact date and pricing yet. So if you're in the market for an electric toothbrush, maybe give this one a shot first. Anyway, back to Lea for pricing and availability.
The Realme M1 Sonic electric toothbrush retails for 1,990 pesos. But again, if you get it during the Lazada 11/11 sale, 1,490 na lang. So what a great value! Parang home TV shopping. But seriously guys, it is a good product and I'm planning to get one for myself. So if you're interested, product link below. Now let's move on to the Realme Smart Cam 360. So the SRP of this item is 2,790 pesos, but again, during the Lazada sale, 1,990 na lang. So that's a significant discount, guys. For the key features, it has 1080p video recording, and I can attest to this guys. From what I've seen in the footage, it's very clear. It has a 360-degree panoramic vision, AI anomaly detection, so it'll alert you if there's something unusual happening at home. There's voice talkback, infrared night vision, full color and low light, up to 128 gigs of expansion memory, and multiple privacy protection. For a quick tour of the Smart Cam, from top to bottom, you'll find the mic, the lens, an indicator light, and the memory card slot. At the back, there's a speaker, and at the bottom, there's a power input and the reset button. So the first thing that you have to do to set it up is to insert a memory card and then connect it to a power source. Then you can download the Realme Link App, which I already have, and then connect the camera by tapping on the plus button. Actually guys, same procedure as the scale, and once it's already connected, you're ready to install the camera anywhere at home. Again, very simple. But before that guys, you may want to check out these stickers that come with it. You can dress up your camera as an astronaut or as an ice cream cone. Super cute. Okay, so now let's navigate through the app. It's actually very easy. For the control, it does just that. It allows you to control the camera, move it up, down, left, right, so you can see more of your space at home. For alarm, you can set up the alarm so the Realme Link app will alert you if there's unusual sound or activity at home. And I highly recommend guys that you tweak it, that you personalize the settings, because I didn't do this right away. Quick story, so I'm just home singing, having my own little concert, and I got several alerts from the Realme Link app. Actually, I got a lot of alerts saying that there's unusual sounds at home. And ngayon, okay na. Inayos ko na siya so I can have my own little concert and hindi na nagreklamo yung app. For the other controls, it allows you to replay clips, take videos and photos. Multi-channel is for when you have several smart cameras, but we only have one, so we don't have that function. And call allows you to literally call your smart camera using your smartphone. Like a lot of you guys, Jamie and I are mostly home these days, but I see us using the Realme smart camera a lot the moment that things are back to normal and we're going out again. I think that is a great way to make sure that our home is safe and to also check on our crazy doggy, see what she's doing while we're away. I'm really happy that Realme is going beyond smartphones and that they're offering these amazing products at amazing prices. Again guys, these will sell for less than 2,000 pesos each during the Lazada 11/11 sale. And pro tip, if you're using Lazada wallet to pay for a minimum purchase of 5,000, you get an additional 400 pesos off. So what do you guys think of these new products from Realme? Is it something that you're gonna get for yourself or you're planning to give as a gift for Christmas? Let me know in the comments. Actually guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Lea. Stay safe, happy, and healthy everyone. Bye!